Hello everyone! I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming a seemingly broken phone charger and some common items into a powerful tool. I'm starting with a standard phone charger and its cable. While this is useful, we're going to transform it into something much more versatile. My first step is to carefully cut the USB cable, separating it from the charger itself. Now, let's open up the phone charger. I'm using a utility knife to gently pry open the case. With the case open, I'm carefully removing the green circuit board. I'm using pliers to safely extract it. I'm now applying a small amount of solder to each of the exposed contacts on the circuit board. This prepares them for connecting our wires. Next, I'll take a black and a white wire, strip off the insulation, and carefully solder them to each of the other points on the circuit board. It's important to ensure these connections are secure for stable operation. To create the mounting points for our new additions, I'm marking 2 small dots on the charger's plastic casing with a marker. This will guide my drilling. Using a small drill bit, I'm carefully drilling holes through the marked spots. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. After drilling the holes, I will reassemble the charger circuit board, securely fastening the components together. I'm taking 2 small screws and threading them through the drilled holes, securing them with nuts. These screws will become the attachment points for our unique antenna. I will strip the other end of the wire to expose the copper wire inside. Then, I'll wrap this stripped wire around the base of the screws and secure it tightly. This creates a solid electrical contact from the internal circuit to the external screws. I'm threading the screws through the drilled holes and tightening them with nuts. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm attaching 2 nail clippers to a screw and securing them tightly with a nut. I'm using a pair of pliers to secure them firmly to the screws, ensuring they're parallel and stable. This configuration will be crucial for the antenna's performance. Now, let's make a stand. I'm taking a small wooden block and marking 2 points on it to create a stable base for our charger. I'm using the drill again to bore 2 holes into the wooden block at the marked points. To mount the charger securely, I'm applying hot glue into the drilled holes in the wooden block. Then, I'll carefully insert the modified charger into the holes, creating a sturdy base. Now, let's prepare the USB cable. I'm taking the previously cut USB cable and stripping the insulation here, both black and red. We need to expose a good length of the copper for connection. I'm taking a length of black cable, cutting off a piece, and stripping its outer insulation to reveal the inner wire. This is our main antenna wire. I will twist the red wire with the central copper core and the white wire with the braided sheath together. This helps bundle them together to create a neater and more secure connection later. To insulate and protect the twisted wires, I'm wrapping them securely with red electrical tape. On the other end of the black cable, I'm stripping more of the outer insulation and exposing the braided shield and inner conductor. I'm attaching a coaxial F connector to this end. This allows it to plug directly into a TV's antenna input. After that, I'll wrap it with red electrical tape for insulation. Finally, I'm plugging the modified charger into the coaxial cable connected to the USB cable. As you can see, the TV currently shows no signal. This means it's not picking up any channels. I'm connecting our homemade antenna system to the TV's antenna input. And just like that, we have a picture. The TV is now receiving channels. This little device is working its magic, pulling in signals from the air. I'm using the remote control to cycle through some channels. The signal is clear, and we're getting a variety of programming without any traditional outdoor antenna. Let's check out a few more. It's amazing how this simple setup, made from repurposed materials, can bring so many channels to life right here in our living room. To prove it's the antenna working, I'm disconnecting the cable from the TV. And instantly, the no signal message returns. Reconnecting it shows the signal comes right back. This confirms our DIY antenna is indeed the reason for the successful reception. The TV is playing perfectly, receiving all these channels for free. Who knew a phone charger could do this? The picture quality is fantastic, and the channel changes are smooth. This is a game changer for anyone wanting free TV. Our incredible multifunctional antenna, made from a simple phone charger. This DIY device proves that with a little creativity, you can achieve amazing things and save money. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.